Remarkably, choosing the cloud isn't always the right answer. In fact, over the recent years, we've seen some cloud repatriation from a few relatively high-profile organizations, so Dropbox, Adobe, GEICO as a few examples, where they've moved away from the public cloud back onto local on-premise infrastructure. And the reasons I've seen for doing this over the last 16 years of working with the cloud tend to be around three things: cost, data sensitivity, and latency. Number one, cost. The cloud providers are all really competitive on their pricing, but cloud prices include a premium because not only are you renting the infrastructure, but you're paying for all of that personal capability from the individuals that are helping to build, manage, and maintain that cloud. As an organization, if you work on premise, you have to provide all of that capability. So the cloud provides that as a premium. But if you've already got that capability, because you've got a good, strong IT team, you can save a lot of money by not paying that additional premium. Number two, data sensitivity. If you work in an industry that's heavily regulated, if you need to know exactly who has access to your data and which countries it's being held in, so your data sovereignty, the cloud may not be the best choice for you. It used to be the case, and it's much better now, that when you pushed your data up to the cloud and that it was then subsequently replicated and backed up, you can never really guarantee which country it was in. Again, it's much better now, but if you need total control and to be able to wholeheartedly say, our data is here, these people have access, and it hasn't left our country, then the cloud might not be the right option for you. Finally, number three, latency. If you work in an industry where every millisecond counts, so things like finance, gaming, real-time gambling, it's really important that your workloads and your networking are as fast as possible, and keeping everything local enables you to do that. Making calls out to a public cloud provider, often over the internet, can add a lot of latency into how you operate as an organization. So the cloud might not be the right choice in these situations. Those are the three main reasons I've seen in my career with the cloud. There are more reasons why the cloud isn't a good fit. Make sure you think properly about whether you should be using the cloud, whether it's the right choice for you, before you decide to make that move.